Assalamu alaikum and welcome to KS Academy, and today lecture we are solving the further truss element using Abaqus. We already done the loads on truss element. Here you can see the downward vertical load and horizontal vertical load. Now we can apply a mesh on this element. By applying a mesh we create this is mean you can go by part. Here you can see we can apply a mesh on different element by clicking on this, then done, then click by number. We require only two nodes on this corner and this corner. Apply. Here you can see midpoint is also 1, 2, 3 nodes are made divided into two elements. We need only one element. You can see here only two nodes are applied on each corner. Okay, here same to on other element. On this element also, and this element is already created. You can see this option mesh part. By applying on this, clicking full model, apply yes. Mesh is apply on truss. Now we can do a job by clicking this job manager or clicking this create job. By clicking on create job model 1, clicking on continue. Okay, here you can see we cannot submit job yet. Click on submit button. Monitor. Here you can see the result, everything, error, warning, output, data files, message file, status file, etc. We can see four element have missing property definition, that element have been identified and element set. How can remove this error? You can go on mesh option. Here you can see this option element side section. By clicking on part, clicking on element side section, by clicking on this, you can see here it is beam. We convert this to truss element. By clicking on truss, then click on OK. Now we continue our job. Again submit. If some error occur, the warning and error will be shown here. The process will be complete in an analysis input file process complete. Here you can see the file is running. Now the job is running completed. Now we see results. On clicking on results, here you can see the different results of the truss element. You can see here this is for truss. You can see each truss, maximum and plane truss, maximum and plane principal, S11, etc. And you can see here deformation. Like clicking on deformation, you can see U1 and also you can see U2, and you can see deformation in symbol. Here you can see this deformation U2 and U1 is here and also here. Now we need a reaction force. Here you can see the reaction force, resultant reaction force. We need a reaction force 1 on this, and reaction force 2 on this and this. How can we apply a node on element? By clicking on this option, here you can see color and style, labels, show element label, apply element label will be show. Here you see show face label, apply, show node labels, nodes label will be also show here. Node sample, change the color to orange or anything else. Style, I need this style rectangular, apply OK. Here you can see apply. By clicking on OK, this is the reaction force and deformation on each symbol. How we can output from each element stresses are by clicking on this OBD file output, continue. I need E11 on whole element nodal or stresses on element S11. Click on element node, edit selection, click on this, you can see plot. This will be show the stresses and elastic strain, etc. Now we can change from this. We need a node, unique nodal, reaction force, stresses, etc. How we can do? By clicking here, you can see reaction forces, need reaction force 1, reaction force 2, deformation U1, U2. This is output of each element. You can see edit selection. You can require each by clicking on this node. You can see plot of each displacement, reaction force, etc. How can we result output from Excel sheet? Field output, report generated field output. I need unique nodal, stresses, reaction force and displacement. Magnitude U1, U2, reaction force RF1, RF2. By clicking on apply, here you can see step setup. Here you can save a file Abaqus truss analysis. You can save any. I can save this file in D. By clicking on this, OK. The file will be automatically saved. Now we can open D file. Here you can see Abaqus truss analysis. This shows the full result reaction node 1 element, reaction force node 2, reaction force 2, U magnitude, everything maximum, minimum, everything show here. You can see this file, this type of file will be generated. This is the whole truss element analysis in Abaqus. You can check the reaction force value 9.625, stresses. Here you can see the stresses maximum, minimum 1.395 E. You can change this style by clicking viewport, edit innovations, viewport, innovation manager, etc. by clicking view, graphic option, solid, anything you can change from. Here you can change this from white. You can see here, this is the compression, tensile force, this is also, this is in compression. This member is in compression. You can change this from view innovation options. You can see show compass, not show state block. Clicking this here you can see there will be pairs. You can show text and arrow by apply. Here you can see the text and everything will be appear. Clicking on this will be removed from this. You can change anything. You can play with this color, etc. Everything you can change from here. This is the whole truss element analysis. I think you like this video and subscribe the channel.